On Sunday night, June 19, 2022, in Atlanta, Georgia, I spotted a white Chevy Impala with no license plates. The driver, Willie Lee Postel, on a suspended license, refused to stop, sped off recklessly, ran a red light, and fled on foot after 2 precise piets. Ignoring all commands, he fell over, resisted arrest, and was finally subdued with a taser. His breath reeked of booze, and in the car were vodka, beer, and a 12-gauge shotgun. So much for a quiet night out. When asked why he ran, Postel probably figured driving drunk with weapons might as well make it count.
Lit.
Sunday, 16th of February 2025, 9:07 p.m, I-40 Arkansas. Police clocked a silver Honda Accord speeding at 86 miles per hour in a 65 miles per hour zone. Instead of pulling over, the driver took off, hitting over 110 miles per hour and weaving through traffic using the middle lane, turning the highway into a racetrack. Near the Mound City ramp, police used a TVI to stop the car, only to find it empty. Minutes later, Michael Tate of Memphis was caught limping along the highway. Inside the car, a Smith & Wesson pistol and a phone with Tate's photo on the screen. The car had fake plates, no registration, no insurance, and Tate had no license. An unregistered car, fake tags, and a gun under the seat. Tate wasn't just driving, he was cruising straight into trouble.
Get up. Put your chest on it. Put your chest on it. I'm hurt, man. I got an ambulance coming.
On Saturday night, March 1st, 2025, in Tampa, Florida, hundreds gathered for a street takeover event coordinated via social media. Participants blocked off an intersection to perform donuts, drifting, and other reckless driving stunts. Florida Highway Patrol swiftly intervened, arresting 10 people on charges including illegal racing, drug possession, and fleeing police. Authorities also impounded 4 vehicles and seized 3 firearms. Juvenile offenders were taken to the Hillsborough Assessment Centre. Just a reminder, spinning tyres might look cool, but spinning straight into jail, not so much fun, mate. On Thursday, February 13th, 2025, in Yell County, Arkansas, a Nissan Altima, plate ARAPH50R, was spotted with expired tags and no insurance. The driver, Armando Zamora, was already suspended and wanted for previous violations. When signalled to stop, Zamora kept driving for 1.6 miles, though under 43 miles per hour.
We've been just rolling at 30 miles an hour. He's stopping here, coming back out on the 28 now. And he's still stopping on 28 now. I think he's just trying to get home, I guess. He should be suspended. We didn't get up about him. Alright, yeah, he's not down contact. Well, if he's not stopping, if he knows that you're going to stop him, TVI. Wait for a clear spot here. Car should be TVI in here at 28 dot lane.
Officers executed a TVI manoeuvre to halt the vehicle safely. Zamora refused to exit, forcing police to use pain compliance and a stun to arrest him without further issues. His car was towed and he was jailed. Morale of the story: break the same law twice and you might just earn yourself a bonus ride, courtesy of the tow truck.
And step out. Why are you doing this? Like, for real, like,
Because you didn't stop.
are you gonna tase me?
Yes,
Come on,
get out of the car.
Well, let me go.
Right hand, unclick.
Why are
Right
you doing
hand
this, sir?
unclick.
Like, oh my God, sir.
Right hand, undo the
Oh my
seatbelt.
God, sir. Ah! And
Do
what
the
is wrong
seatbelt.
with you?
Undo the
What is wrong
seatbelt.
with you?
Undo the
I'm not even
seatbelt.
doing anything, sir.
Undo the seatbelt.
Okay, but
Do
sir,
it now.
why are you getting all like mad and stuff?
Do it now.
Okay, I am.
He's fighting.
Oh, I'm fighting.
Let's
yeah,
go.
I'm fighting.
Undo it.
Come on now. I'm not.
Undo
sir.
it. Okay,
Let
undo
me
the
do it.
seatbelt.
Let me go, sir. Okay,
Dude,
wow,
it's not
I
gonna be
can't
that hard.
believe you, sir. I can't believe you, sir. What? Calm down, sir. I'm not resisting you. Like, relax. I'm not resisting you, sir. Like, why are you doing this, sir? I'm not resisting. I was going speed limit, sir. It was. I couldn't even
You
stop
have
right
to
there.
stop
I
when the
couldn't
police
stop
are
right
behind
there.
you.
Yes,
All the
but
way up Liberty Road.
if it's not a good place to stop, how am I going to stop?
It was plenty of good places.
No, it wasn't.
100 cars on Liberty Road. All those driveways, 2 county roads, the whole intersection.
Come on, like, look what you did to my car. You
I
pushed
don't
me
care.
out of the road.
You're
I was
absolutely
going-
right.
I was going 35 miles per hour. Come on now. You tased
You
me.
finally found state police.
Roll to the right. CFS received. CFS.
Tuesday, November 2nd, 2025, Interstate 30, Arkansas. Police spotted a blue Dodge van with no insurance. Driver Kevin Rooks didn't stop, drove another mile, and finally pulled over at East 10th Street.
32, we're still rolling. He's not responding to that, sir. We're checking the 140. CFS comments. At 32, 35, let him get around this corner.
Unit 830, push with call. CFS comments added.
Give him a minute.
Return on 9th Street. Eastbound on 9th Street, Plaza Barber.
CFS comments added.
Southbound on Welch.
CFS comments added.
Or go ahead and show me 1037. Speed 24 miles an hour. Welch and 10th Street.
35 calls for me for secondary.
Get in front of him, 32.
Driver, put your hands out the window. Put your hands out the window. Stop right there. Stop right there. Put the keys on the ground. Driver, put the keys on the ground. Driver, put the keys on the ground. Step out of the vehicle, your hands where I can see them. Step out of the vehicle, your hands where I can see them. Turn around, face away from me. Turn around, face away from me. Step to your left. Face away from me. Turn around and face away.
Walk back to me.
You got commands?
I got you, I know, I'm tracking.
He admitted drinking with 2 vodka bottles by his seat. Rooks blew 0.112 BAAC and was taken to Pulaski Jail. Charges: 5th DWI, no insurance, no seatbelt, fleeing, and a warrant for missing court on his 4th DWI. 5 DWIs deep, that van might as well have driven itself to jail.
Sit back, sit back. Come my way, come my way.
I'm concentrating on the radio. Whoever's behind me, just hang back for now. Almost 3.
On the night of February 3rd, 2024, on Interstate 66, I received an alert for a stolen 2016 Hyundai Elantra with DC plates. Upon locating the vehicle, I trailed it and waited for backup. The driver, Shasta Gamble, 4 months pregnant, refused to stop, rammed police vehicles multiple times, hit speeds of 100 miles per hour, and nearly crashed into a civilian.
61 over 8 westbound. Looks moderate traffic. Speed's increasing right 90 right now. Swap on 46 confirm you did strike you, correct? Yeah, that's a firm. Alright, moderate traffic, 61 over 2, 90 miles an hour, coming up on 123. Alright, you just dropped 1254 again. So you confirm it's on my vehicle. Alright, I'll take the ramp for Corbin. Hit him.
Watch traffic. You're gonna do it right here.
I gotta get around y'all. Let me know which side you're on. Hey, whoever's still vehicle back there, start slowing traffic. I got it. We're eastbound 66, 61 over 2. Perfect, so just one other plate claim. Push yourself leaving. We gotta be breaking traffic right now. We're coming up on that way. Send them in the express lane if I get a chance. Perfect, keep crossing under Dublin.
47 and 16 Hill Drive.
Perfect, to left lane, east of Dublin, eastbound.
Yeah, that's 12 on it. Sorry, Alex.
Perfect, so still eastbound or left lane.
A well-executed pit sent the car into a Jersey wall, wrecking it completely. Inside, steering column ripped out, USB used to hot wire. Gamble bleeding from her nose, was medically cleared. With 13 charges, including auto theft, felony eluding and assaulting police, this mum-to-be is likely expecting a long sentence.
He's only license prior to